to solve a Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube, a classic puzzle loved by millions, can be daunting at first glance. However, with the right approach and a bit of practice, anyone can learn to solve it. Remember, solving the Rubik's Cube takes practice and patience. Don't get discouraged by initial challenges. With consistent effort, you'll improve your solving skills and conquer the cube. Now here's a beginner-friendly guide to solve the Rubik's Cube. Firstly, you have to understand the structure of Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube consists of 3x3 grid layers, with each face having 9 colored stickers. The goal is to align all stickers of the same color on each face, creating a uniform cube. Basic notations. Remember these notations to easily understand the process of solving a Rubik's puzzle. Number 1. F for front. Turn the front face clockwise. Number 2. B. Back. Turn the back face clockwise. Number 3. U. Up. Turn the top face clockwise. Number 4. D. Down. Turn the bottom face clockwise. Number 5. R. Right. Turn the right face clockwise. Number 6. L. Left. Turn the left face clockwise. Solving the Rubik's puzzle layer by layer. Number 1. First layer. Start with a white cross on the bottom layer. Complete the white corners, then solve the middle layer edges. Number 2. Second layer. Align the top layer edges. Match the second layer colors. Number 3. Third layer. First, orient the top layer corners. Now position the final layer edges. And now, solve the final layer corners.